Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to integrate Clickup with Gmail. Let's get started. First, go to your web and search for clickup.com. Now once you're here, click on the login button if you already have an account, but if you don't have an account, click on sign up. Now once you've logged in, you will be directed to your Clickup dashboard. Now once you're here, on the right side of the screen, click on your profile icon. A pop-up window will show. Click on Settings. Now once you're in the Settings area, click on the App Center. A pop-up window will show. On the left side of the screen, click on the Email section. Now, click Gmail. For the next step, click on the Connect button. Next, choose the account that you want to integrate with ClickUp. After finishing these steps, your ClickUp will be integrated to Gmail. And that's it. That's how you integrate ClickUp with Gmail. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.